Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your go-to place to spot online products before they drain your wallet. Today's spotlight is on Jetterix, a gadget that claims to turn your regular garden hose into a powerful high-pressure water jet. Sounds impressive, right? But is it actually worth your money? Or just another overhyped tool? Let's find out. So here's what Jetterix promises. It says it uses hydropower technology to create extreme water pressure, helping you blast away dirt, grime, mud, and even stubborn stains. Plus, it claims to connect easily to any standard hose. No complicated setup, no electricity, no bulky pressure washer. Now, let's break that down. First, Jetterix is not a real pressure washer. It doesn't have a motor or pump. The pressure you get depends entirely on your home's water supply. That means if your tap already has low pressure, this tool won't magically fix it. It may improve the spray direction, but don't expect professional-level cleaning power. For light cleaning, like washing your car, rinsing your driveway, or cleaning windows, it might do a decent job. But when it comes to heavy-duty tasks like removing deep stains or tough grime, it likely won't perform as advertised. Here are a few things to watch out for. Overly dramatic ads showing unrealistic pressure, lack of clear brand information, similar products available at much lower prices elsewhere. This is often a sign that the product is being marketed more than engineered. So is Jetterix worth it? If you're looking for a simple hose attachment for light cleaning, it could be useful. But if you're expecting high-pressure professional results, you'll probably be disappointed. Before buying, always check real customer reviews and compare alternatives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor for more honest reviews. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.